All right, good day, everybody. Welcome to another YouTube lessons. I'll be looking at chemistry, and I'll be looking at how to identify atoms and the number of protons, number of electrons, the number of neutrons, and the atomic number, the mass number. I want to tell you what those stand for. For those of us in beginner level chemistry, I'll just do a brief intro, and I'll explain the concept of isotopy, isobarism, isoelectronic species, isotones, and isodiaphers. So quickly, let's dive into the video right away. Now, for atoms are actually particles or the smallest particles of an element which normally takes part in a chemical reaction. Yeah, smallest particle of an element which normally takes part in a chemical reaction. So atoms, atoms, they basically are represented with symbols, and the first scientist to suggest atoms of elements should be given symbol is J.J. Berzelius in 1814. Now, J.J. Berzelius in 1814. Now, if this is an atom A and Z, let me explain what I mean. Now, like hydrogen, the simplest atom, which is called protium, 1 1. Now, what does A stand for? Our beginners. So A stands for mass or nuclear number. Yes, A stands for mass or nuclear number. A can be atomic mass. They are two different things. Atomic mass and mass number are two different things. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom. It's usually given in AMU. Yeah, so A can be atomic mass, but basically, let's look at numbers for now. So A means atomic number. Sorry, A stands for mass number, or I said nuclear number. It is the sum of the major particles in the nucleus. So the sum of the major particles in the nucleus. So nuclear number. Now, what does Z stand for? Z stands for atomic number. Yes, Z is atomic number. Z is also the number of protons. Yes, Z is proton number. And now, sometimes there's usually charge present. J is charge. J is charge. Now, I'll quickly say something. For elements without charge, they are said to be neutral, so they are charged. Or there's no, assuming I had the +1, that is charge, so the charge is +1. So because there's no charge on this atom, is J is regarded or given to be 0. As simple as it is. So quickly, what about the number of neutrons? The number of neutrons. The number of neutrons, don't forget this, the number of neutrons, which are neutral particles in the nucleus of the atom,